Would you like to know how to make money online when you don't have much money? Well, if so, you aren't alone, so stick with me. In this video, I will share a simple but lucrative side hustle that anyone can do. It's very low cost to start, and we'll teach you how to build it using free marketing tools and strategies. It's easy on your time too. We'll show you how you can create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, and I build this business myself. It is my #1 recommended income stream for both beginner and experienced marketers alike. And before we get too far along, can you do me a big favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. And then lastly, in the comments, let me know how you got value out of this video. So here's what I've found over the years. Making money online, especially when you're on a tight budget, is more than just picking the right online business to build. You also need to have a way to build that business effectively with minimal time commitment and minimal expense. And I know that sounds obvious, but I hear from people all the time who have spent more money than they've made online. And that's always tough, but especially so if money is already tight. It's surprising how many marketers get drawn into high-priced business opportunities that they really can't afford. Then, to make matters worse, they end up spending a small fortune on tools, coaching, training programs, traffic, and leads, most of which are poor quality anyway. It's no wonder they lose money, but you do not have to. Let me tell you a little about the business we build and why you should join our team. As I said, the business is very low cost to start. Money will not be an issue. It's a business almost anyone can do, as no previous skills or experience are needed, and it's mostly automated. It's based on a high-demand product that almost sells itself, and as for making money, we have the best pay plan I know of. Many new people make money their very first day. It pays out long-term passive income too. This is money that can keep coming in month after month for the sales you make each day. This passive income is how I leverage my time. It's what lets me ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer. And if you are in a spot where money is tight, this recurring income can make a huge difference. Think about getting paid months from now for what you do today. It can really help. I only use free marketing strategies to build my business. I have for years. It's what has helped me have real success. And it's a critical part of making money online, no matter what your current finances. We teach our team how to generate traffic for free. It gets terrific results if you do it right. It's actually easier than you think and only takes minutes a day. You will have a powerful marketing system, your own personalized lead capture page, a high converting sales page, and I'll get you the best email autoresponder for free. I'll give you 75 of my best emails to send out. You won't have to create anything. All you do is use the free marketing strategies we teach to get traffic to your landing page. The system takes it from there. We have the best training in the industry, period. We do 6 live Zoom calls each week. We have an extensive online training site you can access 24/7 and a terrific Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. And best of all, I will be your personal mentor and coach. Nothing will be left to chance. You will never wonder about what to do next. It's just easier when you have someone to show you the way. To learn more and start making money today, take our free online tour at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.